Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a dessert recipe, the easiest dessert recipe. This is bread rasmalai, instant version of the rasmalai. So let's start. I'm taking a heavy bottom pan and boiling 1 liter of milk. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to lower the flame and keep stirring continuously. Now do this for around 20 minutes until milk is considerably reduced to half. You can see the milk is reduced. Now I'm going to add 2 pinch of saffron soaked in milk, 4 cardamom. The seeds I have crushed like this. You can add the whole cardamom itself. Now keep stirring it until it is further reduced. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to add half cup of sugar. All this while, I have been continuously stirring the milk. After boiling for 1 minute, I'm going to turn off the flame. The rabdi is ready. Now I'm taking slices of white bread and using a glass or a katori or a round cookie cutter, I'm going to cut the bread slices for round shape. Like this. And that's it. Out your serving dish, add in the slices of bread and pour over the chilled rabdi for better taste. Garnish with pistas and almonds. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.